This is the Vivo X90 Pro, the company's most premium smartphone in India for 2023 and is the successor to last year's Vivo X80 Pro. The latest Vivo flagship gets upgrades in the camera, battery and performance departments. It also continues to feature a Zeiss tuned camera system. Before we talk more about the phone, let's just quickly unbox the Vivo X90 Pro. The Vivo X90 Pro's retail box is quite tall and thick, suggesting that it packs all the necessary accessories. Lift the lid and you will see the phone wrapped in a plastic sheet. The X90 Pro has a vegan leather finish on the back panel and comes in a single legendary black color option. There is a massive camera module on the back, which we'll get to in a second. Moving on, the box also contains two more packets inside, one of which has the TPU case and some documentation. The other has a USB Type-C to Type-C cable and a massive 120-watt fast charging brick. The Vivo X90 Pro has a curved edge AMOLED display. The top and bottom bezels around the 6.78 inch are quite thin too. The display supports 1300 nits of peak brightness along with an HDR10+ certification. The phone also gets an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. The X90 Pro's highlight feature is its camera system. It has a 50-megapixel Sony IMX989 1-inch camera sensor, which is also found in the Xiaomi 13 Pro. The Vivo X90 Pro has a wider aperture of f1.75 compared to f1.9 on the 13 Pro. The X90 Pro also features a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 50-megapixel portrait lens with 2x optical zoom. You get a bunch of filters and features in the camera app to play with. In comparison, the Vivo X80 Pro came with a quad camera setup which also had a 5x periscope lens. The camera samples and detailed analysis are mentioned in our full review of the Vivo X90 Pro on gadgets360.com. For selfies, the Vivo X90 Pro has a 32-megapixel front camera sensor. The phone also features an in-display fingerprint scanner along with support for AI face recognition. The phone is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9200 SoC. It packs 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The X90 Pro features a 4870 mAh battery and, as mentioned previously, has support for 120-watt fast charging out of the box. The phone also offers up to 50-watt wireless charging. In terms of software, the Vivo X90 Pro boots Android 13-based FunTouch OS 13. The software offers a bunch of customization and personalization options. It does have a few bloatware apps, but these can be uninstalled. Vivo has promised 3 years of Android and security patches for the X90 Pro. That's it for our first look at the new Vivo X90 Pro. To know more about the phone and if you should consider this as your next flagship, don't miss our full review only on gadgets360.com.